If you haven't tried this shampoo, you need to. This is a very gentle, clarifying shampoo. And you know what? I think I need to show you how to use it. What do you think? Do you want to see how to use it? Let's go. And before you think I'm going to take you in the shower with me and make one of those cutesy influencer videos that shows you how to wash my hair with like a swimsuit top on, you're wrong. This middle-aged baddie doesn't do that sort of thing. I turn into Florida Jen. Florida Jen is the middle-aged baddie that takes you outside on her back porch and shows you how she washes her hair. Kind of, you know, uncharacteristic of most influencers style. So here I am just washing my hair and wearing goggles because why not? They're my kids'. They don't even fit. They're tight as ever. And here we go. So rinsing that, you can see we've got a nice lather and it's great. So kind of getting it everywhere, getting a little sunburn on my forehead going. Almost dropped my conditioner, but it landed on my forearm somehow. So I'm just applying that to my ends and then up into my scalp area, just a hair. And then again, spraying my face. I tried to tell my kids that they could throw buckets of water on me, but they didn't really seem to care. So, whatever. I'll just do this myself then. With their goggles, of course. So, now that's done. I've gone upstairs and I'm going to show you what this looks like. And I'm going to blow dry it because I want you to be able to see what my hair actually looks like dried from it. And this is just a partial dry so you can see in front. Now I do have naturally, it's not coarse, but it's on the more coarse side of hair. And so I'm just using a round brush to help smooth some of it out a little bit as I'm finishing up the blow dry. And then as you'll see, it may look a little coarse right here or maybe even dried out. It's not. I just have that more coarse hair up towards my scalp, especially in the front there. But as you can see, it is so nice and clean. It's got a natural shine to it that looks really nice. It's not weighed down. It doesn't look greasy, and it's just nice and clean. So I absolutely love this shampoo. I love its conditioner too. So I highly recommend it, and I think that you should give it a try. And of course, this video wouldn't be complete without me giving it a thumbs up with a weird face at the end. Right? Am I right? There we go.